In this video I will show you how to spy your competitors' blogs very easy for free. All you need to do is to go to this website. You can see is an extension. You can install for Chrome or you can install for Firefox. So all you need to do is to install your extension in your browser. After that, just go to the article you want to spy. Let's say this blog post. So then I go up here on SEO Minion and you can see different tools. Analyze on page SEO. You can see how many words, characters, you can see the title, you can see the description, meta robots, and you can see what headings they use, Twitter graph, and so many things. Then you can check the highlight all links, internal. You can see all internal links, external, and all links. You can check the broke links and you can see different data here. I hope you find useful this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.